Okay, so, me, I'm here right now, drunk. I'm admittedly drunk. And for a lot of people, it takes a lot to say that. But, for now, what we're focusing on is how people feel about me drunk. And for me, I'm fucking hungry. To be honest, I'm hungry and I want to go to sleep. And what I want to take back for everybody is why I wanted to be drunk in the first place. Okay, so I had a pretty average day. I watched probably about 3 or 4 episodes of Secrets of a Call Girl, the 3rd series, and that was really nice. I thought it was so fucking funny. And then I watched View from the Top, which was a Fly TV movie, and it was fantastic. And it made me feel like I had a dream again, so that was really good. But now I find myself here, drunk, eating noodles. So bland. So, how do you get yourself here eating noodles? Obviously you don't feel too much about yourself. You have underlying issues that you want to get through. I lost the focus of this whole video. I've got my friend in bed. Don't know if you saw her, but she's been a really good friend to me. So, we find ourselves eating noodles early in the morning, and you're a very capable person, and you're wonderful, and you don't have a job, and you don't know what the fuck your life is doing. So you're sitting here drunk because it's the only thing, besides from getting stoned, which I've had my fair amount of. I don't know what the fuck you're doing. I don't have anything to say about that. I thought I would. Maybe next time. I will. But hold strong. Noodles is nice.